Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile, if you are having any issues related to Wi-Fi, means you are entering into Wi-Fi zone and that Wi-Fi zone is not reflecting on your Samsung mobile. In that case, what you need to do, I am going to tell you in this video in very short time. So please watch this video completely to get familiar with this type of problem. So first thing what you need to do, if you are encountering with such type of problem, just put your mobile into the flight mode for 30 odd seconds, 1 minute, and then remove the flight mode, put it on normal mode, and after that just try to search that Wi-Fi and try to put password if it is searching. But if it is not happening, then the second thing, go to the setting, go to the general management. Here one reset option is there. Go to reset network setting. This will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Don't worry, only passwords will go. Save passwords for Wi-Fi, just reset it. It will ask for pattern, enter the pattern, and then just try to find out that Wi-Fi signals are coming or not, it is showing Wi-Fi or not. If it is showing, that is okay, but if it is not showing, then reboot your mobile, restart your mobile, again try to find out that Wi-Fi network. I think 90% of the users have solved this issue by doing reset network settings. But if you are still having that issue, then please, in your home, go to the router, turn it off on once, and after that try to search that Wi-Fi network into your mobile. I think after doing all these things, if you are still not getting that Wi-Fi, please seek professional help. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel.